Okay, welcome back to the channel. So this is the Excel inside Microsoft 365 app on Honor Pad 10, which is an Android tablet. And based on what I tested earlier, I find that most of the things I need are available. For example, you drag and drop, numbers like this, it will go incremental. Of course, you can also sum the numbers. Alright, so you are summing all of this together. What else? There are filters as well. The filters is over here. And to change the font, to a different font, you can come here. Don't get mixed up. This is color. This is font. You can come here and choose, whatever font you want, or you can reduce the size. Of course, referencing to another spreadsheet is also available. As you can see, I'm referring to sheet 2A1. Let's say I change something here. Change. See, it follows. Okay. So if you ask me, I think the Excel on Android tablet will be useful for most people, but not to the one that maybe need macros or something like that. I don't think there will be macros here. And if you want to do basic, summation, averaging, all those mathematics related thing, I think this is more than enough. So I will recommend you to pair with a mouse. As you can see, there's a pointer here. I'm pairing with my Bluetooth mouse, and I'm using my Honor Pad 10 Smart Keyboard. So this keyboard is not bad, but it lacks a delete button. Alright, for example, I can delete this by just clicking on backspace, but if I want to delete everything here, I can't do it because I don't have the delete button. So maybe you may want to consider using another Bluetooth keyboard to connect to this tablet. Alright, also this Honor Pad 10 keyboard doesn't come with escape button. So yeah, for example, if you selected something, let's say, then you click elsewhere, you want to escape, you get something like this, because the key on the escape position is actually this. Alright, so all you can do is just click cancel. That's all. You can't do the escape like what you do on a PC. Other than that, I think everything looks pretty good enough for my daily needs, and I think good enough for most people in their lives. So I hope this answers your question. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you very much.